What is up with me being obsessed with hair tools like this? With heated round brushes, they're just a vibe. I just really like them. Definitely use them on completely dry hair. Use a lot of heat protectant and just try to not pull your hair. If anything, unwrap the hair tool. I'll show you guys. But unwrap the hair tool. Don't pull from the top. I'm gonna give you guys a whole tutorial right now, so stay tuned. But this one from Revlon is only $28. I got it from Amazon and I've never tried it. I don't know why I never tried this one. I tried one that was very similar to this one, but it was kind of like a 2-in-1. It was like a straightener and a brush. So I'll put some videos up here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. That was a while ago and I did not like that hair tool because I did feel like it pulled my hair a little bit. But I feel like this one is very similar to a lot of the other ones that I have been using lately. And I just like that it's just a brush. It's not really like a 2-in-1 or anything like that. Here's the brush. This is a heated silicone brush. It definitely feels not like your regular brush. It feels like the dry bar, but the dry bar is a little tiny bit harder. I wonder how this is gonna work on my hair. Let's try it out. Is this the first Revlon hair tool that is dual voltage? Like, am I reading that right? Dual voltage, guys. Dual voltage for convenient worldwide use. Oh my god. Do I have to take this with me to Spain? Like, am I gonna take this with me to Spain? I'm going to Spain soon because I'm obsessed with Spain. Like, it's bad. I'm obsessed. I never know what hair tools to take with me. I mean, I do have a couple that I really like. Whenever I find the dual voltage hair tool, I'm like, yes, give it to me. Give it to me because I just love dual voltage hair tools. Just being able to use it here and also worldwide, I mean, that's a big plus. I'm very impressed that this is dual voltage, honestly, because for $28, as you can see, one side of my hair is straight, the other one isn't. I use the GHD Helios on this side. I use the Duet style on this one. I did kind of like a side-by-side comparison. So I posted that video right before this one. If you guys want to check it out, I'll link it down below. And if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? I post a lot of videos like this. I post a lot of videos trying out hair tools, hair products on my curly hair. So yeah, it's a lot of fun. Please subscribe if you're liking my YouTube channel so far. And yeah, let's get right into the video. I'm gonna turn this on, put it in the highest heat setting. We're going straight into the highest heat setting. I'm gonna let it warm up for a little bit. This is a 1-inch barrel, so that's pretty cool because even comparing it to the Amazon one that I just tried not too long ago, this is a 1-inch, this is a 1.5, so this one's gonna give you tighter curls. This one is so similar to the dry bar, the curl party. I'm gonna be maybe doing a side-by-side comparison for you guys if you want. Let me know in the comments down below if you're interested in that, because that one is $100 and this one is $30. So if you're able to get the same type of look with a cheaper hair tool, that's not bad, right? So let me know if you want a side-by-side comparison. I can definitely do that. I feel like because I straighten my hair, it's gonna be a little bit harder to get a curl on this side, so I'm gonna start with this side and we'll go from there. So I'm gonna take this section right here. I think it is all warmed up and I'm just gonna smooth out the roots first. I'm gonna use this exactly how I use the other round brushes that I have, the other heated brushes like the dry bar. Just smooth out the roots first. So far doesn't feel too bad. It's not pulling my hair too much. And now I'm just gonna flip the ends a little bit. Let me try to do a little curl. Okay. It actually doesn't feel bad. Like, it feels pretty gentle. It's not really pulling my hair much. Wow. Wow, that is so nice. Revlon, once again, you nailed it with this one. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna do another curl. Just make sure that you smooth out your hair first and then just focus on the ends. Like, try to not curl it from the top because then you're gonna pull your hair a little bit. So just smooth out the top. And then once you're like at least halfway, try to flip it, like twist it, bring it down, and then another twist. And there you have it. I absolutely love that. That is so nice. Okay, I'm gonna do a section right here on this straight part because you know that when you straighten your hair and then you try to curl it, it's like very, very hard to get a curl. So we'll see if this works on very, very straight hair. So I'm just flipping it, holding it for a little bit. Okay, twisting the ends. Okay, it definitely gave me a nice curl. If you've always wanted to try a heated round brush, I feel like this is the one for you. Like, this is so nice. I am impressed. Take very small sections. Try to not take too much hair, because right now I'm taking a lot of hair and it definitely feels like it's pulling it a little tiny bit more than when I take a smaller section. So just make sure to take very small sections. But wow, look at that. Okay, I'm actually really liking this hair tool so far. It's giving me very, very nice curls. I like to just hold it for a little bit. It's hard for me to curl this side away from my face. Like, this side is easier for me, maybe because I'm a righty. But yeah. Ooh, imagine if you set each curl and then just let it set for about 30 minutes. I mean, you're gonna get very nice voluminous hair. So yeah, really like it so far. I'm gonna do this part now, like down here on this side, and then I'll work my way up. So I'm just bringing the hair tool down, flipping the ends, holding for a little bit, and remember to unwrap the hair tool so that way you're not like pulling your hair. These can be kind of tricky to use. Once you get the hang of it, they're not too bad. Just try to not be like too rough, you know? Wow, so nice. I'm literally gonna take this with me to my Spain trip. This is so cool. I just really like that it's so affordable too. So even if I were to like lose it out there or something, at least it's not like a $500 hair tool, you know? It's like a lot cheaper. It's only $30. So yeah, when I travel, I like to take pretty like cheap hair tools because you just never know. You can actually bring it up like this, hold, unwrap. You see what I'm doing? Bring up, hold, unwrap, and that's how you're not gonna pull your hair. So once you're down on the ends, just twist a little tiny bit just to get a little bit of a curl, and there you have it. Love it. As you can see, it definitely is pulling my hair a little bit, but most brushes pull my hair. I mean, even like these type of round brushes, like look at this. Look at all the hair that's on this brush. So yeah, whenever you brush your hair, you're gonna pull your hair a little bit. But I don't feel like this is too bad. Even comparing it to the other one, the Amazon one, this one has some hair too, but I feel like it's normal. Like even this brush, you got some hair. Having hair on your brushes is very normal, especially for me. But yeah, I'm gonna do all my hair. But so far this feels pretty gentle on my hair. Just make sure to do that little trick that I told you. Just wrap, unwrap, bring it back up, bring it back down, and hold in between. And yeah, that way you won't pull your hair too much. You don't want to start the curl from up here and then pull. It's going to literally rip your hair off. So don't do that. Just smooth it out, hold for a little bit, unwrap, bring it back down, bring it back up, hold for a little bit, unwrap, bring it back down, and twist the bottom. And there you have it. Look at that. I love that. But yeah guys, I'm gonna do the rest of my hair and I'll be back with the final look and my thoughts. But I think you guys already know that I really like this hair tool. And I love the price. The price is amazing. And I love that it's dual voltage. Like, that is such a plus for me. I really like that. It's very hard to find good hair tools that are dual voltage. It's like so hard. T3 Micro has amazing dual voltage hair tools. I feel like T3 Micro is like one of the brands that has the most dual voltage hair tools. If you want a whole video of like my favorite dual voltage hair tools, let me know in the comments down below. I can totally do that. But yeah, this one is definitely a nice styling hair tool that I feel like could be very nice for traveling. So I'll be back with the final look. Okay guys, I am done doing all my hair. I absolutely love the final look. I'm gonna add a little bit of oil to my hair, just a tiny bit. Ooh, I think that's a lot. But anyways, yeah, that's a lot. I'm gonna take some off right now. Yeah, that should be good. I don't like to add too much oil to my hair just because my hair is already pretty oily to begin with. So yeah, just add a little tiny bit. I really love this one from Moroccanoil. I'm gonna link it down below. It's the light one. So they have this one and then they have another one that's a little bit thicker. I really like this one. But yeah guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. I really love the curls that I got. I feel like it really elevated my blowout and it made it a lot better, more fun in my opinion. So yeah, definitely check out this hair tool. It is so affordable, only $30, and it feels pretty gentle. As long as you know, do the little trick that I told you, you know, wrap the hair, unwrap, wrap, unwrap, and don't pull from the top. You should be fine. But yeah guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it and I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much.